Welcome back. Now, if you are already a user of Outlook.com, you probably already know that you can add your email accounts to Outlook.com to receive email and to manage email, and that you don't necessarily need Microsoft Office 365 in order to do that. However, there is one difference between the two that you will want to take note of, especially if you have access to both systems and you're trying to choose which one you're going to use. Now, the main difference is explained here in this article from Microsoft, and that is that syncing with your connected account to Outlook.com is only one way. When you use Microsoft Exchange, you're actually going to be syncing in two ways. This means then that if you use Outlook.com, the email that you send is only going to appear in Outlook.com. It's not going to appear also in your connected account. With Microsoft Exchange, it will appear in your connected account. So if you're looking to archive and you're looking to keep track of your email for business purposes, it may be a good idea to use Microsoft 365 if you have the choice to make. But the basic core operations are going to be the same. And so you'll want to keep this in mind to determine whether or not you're going to continue to use Outlook.com or whether or not you'll use Exchange at login.microsoft.com. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.